What's up guys, it's Marcus here. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of the 2020 Mazda year model of Keyfobs and newer. So you gotta get yourself a flathead screwdriver, hopefully something that's smaller than this because this is actually big and a little bit tough to get into places. So you gotta remove both black panels. This is the front and the back. You gotta remove the back first. So remove the back, it's pretty easy. Just a little tap here on the left. Just slide that to the side and slide the back panel to the right. There you go. Now you gotta remove the front panel, which might be a little bit tougher to show you on camera, so I apologize, but take a screwdriver and just basically put it into this tab here and push down, and the corner of the front panel will pop open. So again, forgive me, it's really hard to show you on camera, but I'll do my best. That's just no good leverage to show you on camera. Okay, so this is here. And oh, almost had it. Again, smaller screwdriver would probably make your life a lot easier. Oh, there you go. The corner just popped open. I'm just going to brace it with my fingernail. Now, put the screwdriver in and slide it all the way. Oops. Don't lose it. Slide it all the way down. Voila. There you go. And now the front panel just pops right open. So, you can see here's the battery compartment. You can probably even see what model number it takes. CR2032. Take your good old flathead screwdriver and see where this arrow is. Slide your flathead screwdriver into where this arrow is until it pops open the panel. There you go, panel is open. And just slide that out. And this is where your battery is. So at this point I'm not worried about scratches because, well, everything's hidden away. So take your flathead screwdriver, shove it in the slot there, and off comes your battery. Hooray! Now let's get everything back together. So assuming this is the new battery, shove it right back in, or in reverse. Push it in, and the rubber O-ring where this battery cover is, just make sure it's clean, you know. Just make sure there's no debris there. So put everything back in reverse. Slide that corner in. Now it's in, and push this one on my right thumb down. There you go. Till it clicks. Perfect. Just checking to make sure the seal is in correct contact around the whole battery compartment. So put the front panel back on. That's a certain orientation, so you just gotta check to make sure. See this, where this little big hole is on my right index finger? So that's where this tab goes back on. So orientate it correctly. And the top part here, okay, the top part here is like a hook, so you just hook it up and then just close it down and push it in. So just gotta be a little bit tricky. There you go. I think I have it. Lucky man. Sometimes you don't get it right. There you go. Snap in place and push to the right here. So basically in reverse, just push it to the left, to the right, and just check to make sure it is a good seal around the whole front panel. Looks good. And now the back panel, there's a certain orientation. I think this is the correct way. We'll try it. If it's difficult, just retry it. Flip the cover around. Oh, lucky man. Look at that. Click into place. So now everything's in order and all the panels are back in place. Just make sure your car is... Yeah, there you go. Can hear my car. So just check to make sure this is the correct operations of the Keyfob. Guys, I hope this helps, and thank you very much for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and feel free to comment in the boxes below. Thank you.